Hi guys, Steve Gronlund here, Vintage Mortgage Group, with a quick tip for the day. You know, I've put on this workshop quite a few times called Alternative Purchase Options, teaching realtors how to sell homes to people who cannot qualify for a loan. Now, why in the heck would a mortgage guy teach realtors how to sell homes to people who cannot qualify for a loan? Well, one reason is because I know how. I know how to buy homes without mortgages, and I know how to sell homes to people who cannot get mortgages. I myself have sold homes that way, and it's a really good way. Today it's very, very simple, and it's very, very legal and very safe for both the buyer and the seller if you know what you're doing. Now, along with this, on this video, right below this video, should be right down there somewhere, you're going to be able to download this flyer for Alternative Purchase Options, how to help your buyers buy homes without, if they can't qualify for a loan. Now, this is talking about lease options as well as all-inclusive trust deeds and land trusts. So this is a must-see event. 2 years from now, I guarantee you that 50% of the purchases that are happening in this market will be done on all-inclusive trust deeds and lease optioning. It's very, very safe today. You know, at the end of the 1980s, when these were very popular options, it was just being perfected using escrow services and using title insurance and doing everything correctly, making sure everything's recorded, making sure the seller is protected and the buyer is protected. But at the end of the 80s, it was no longer necessary. So just when these options were being perfected and made very legal and very safe, they didn't need them anymore. Now they're coming back in a big way, and I'll tell you what, they're completely perfected, and you need to understand how to do this and start showing people homes who cannot qualify for loans if they have the capacity to make a payment or if they have a down payment. You know, some people believe, and I believe this is true, that less than 25% of the people out there that have a down payment, have the ability to make a payment, less than 25% of the people who want to buy a home actually can qualify for a loan. And most all the realtors are out there chasing that 25% group. But there's a bigger group, a 75% group that just a few agents understand, and some of those agents won't even deal with a borrower that needs to get a loan because they understand these principles and these options very, very well. You know, we're deal engineers, and bottom line is we better make the deal. If we can't figure it out, we can't be in this business. We've got to make the deal. We've got to figure out how to solve the buyer's problems as well as the seller's problems in order to earn a great commission. So I'm a mortgage professional. That's all I do. I only do one thing really well, and that's residential mortgage finance. But I do know and understand these alternative purchase options, and I'll be doing one in a very close area to you, very close to where you live. And so you want to download this flyer again, make a phone call, find out when the next one's going to be in your area, and you want to attend. Make sure you're there. Have a great week. Thanks.